We're now going to use the bar model to help us with fractions. When finding fractions of a number, the bar can easily be divided into the fraction that you're looking for. For example, if you wanted to find 1/4 of 16, split the bar into quarters. For younger pupils, the 16 can be shared out equally. As you can see, this is a nice visual representation for the pupils. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Therefore, 1/4 of 16 is 4. Once the pupils have a good knowledge of their facts, they would recognise that the bar is divided into 4 parts. Therefore, they would no longer need to share. They could work out 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Therefore, 1/4 of 16 is 4. The bar can also be used to find more challenging fractions. For example, 3/8 of 24. Split the bar into 8 pieces. The bar is worth 24. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. I can now count up in steps of 3. 1/8 equals 3, 2/8 equals 6, and 3/8 equals 9. You can then move on to fraction problems using the bar. Once again, some problems involve part-whole problems like this. Daniel spent 4/7 of his money on a new pair of trainers. The trainers cost £44. How much money did he have at first? First of all, we split the bar into sevenths. We know that 4/7 is £44. I can now divide this number by 4 to find 1/7, which is £11. I can now count up in steps of 11 all the way to the end of the bar. We now know that Daniel started with £77. An example of a comparison problem might read: there are 3/5 as many girls as boys in the Year 2 class. If there are 15 boys, how many girls are there? Now in this problem, we are comparing the number of girls to the number of boys. Now, next to where it says boys, I'm going to draw the bar for the boys. Now, we know that we're dealing with fifths, so I'm going to divide the boys' bar up into 5 parts. We also know there are 3/5 as many girls as boys. Now, I know that there are 15 boys, so I'm going to divide 15 by 5 to make 3, and I can now fill in the different sections of the boys' bar. We know there are 3/5 as many girls as boys, therefore there are 9 girls in the class.